In today's video guys, I'm going to tell you how to make money on Radio Earn. All you have to do is listen to radio and get paid. Overall, so far I've made 1439 points. So if you go down to Point Exchange, it says how much it is per point to the pound or the dollar. So 1 point at the moment is $3 US. So if you open the tab and do 14.39 multiplied by 3 is £43 or $43. That's how much I've made in the last 3 days. All I have to do is click start earning. You can surf websites or you can listen to radio. You open the radio and you right click up here, mute the site. You can have it running, you can listen to it if you want to, but I recommend to mute it. And you just leave it running for about 14 minutes. I think it's every quarter of an hour you get 25 points. So I've got 25, 25, 25, 16, 25, 25. This is the last couple of days and I've already made £45. So basically, yeah, you can also go to surfing and you click here and it opens up a surfer to surf websites, and when that bar fills to the end you get paid. When you press discover you get more money. Enjoy this video, there will be a link in the description. Like and subscribe, and peace.